If you're a creator or a consultant or freelancer, you probably know about making lead magnets. Gone are the days of making ebooks and little PDF templates. You can now make fully fledged AI assistants as lead magnets. I want to show you how I did that in my funnel and then implement that in yours using Chipp. So I have this product called Educreator Operating System. It's like an all-in-one Notion dashboard with some AI tools for building courses in hours, not months. And that's a $67 product, but I actually wanted to make something which was lower ticket and maybe even free and share that with my audience so that they could understand what the value was inside that higher ticket product. So I built this course creator using Chipp, and this is much lower ticket, and I actually gave it away for free for a long time so that some people came in, understood what it was, and then started to see the value of what was going on. So what that basically does is allow people to create courses with a very simple 6-step process. It outlines the stages of that process, and then it gets into it and says, please could you provide a short description of your target audience? And then we begin that process. So this is something that was taking my expertise and then bringing it into a mega prompt inside Chipp. And now it guides people through that whole process, which would have taken me hours to do with them and maybe cost them hundreds of dollars. And it's now just an $18 product that's available as part of the funnel. This is how I've set it up. There's my title, the description. You can add your instructions here. You can see this is a pretty beefy prompt. Telling them all about course creation. I'm able to select which model I want to use. I use GPT-4o because it listens to the step-by-step instructions very well. And then I've just basically added some of my designs and, basic brand colors, and I click share, and that is what I put behind the paywall. So it was that quick, that simple. It literally took me a couple hours to build this new $18 product. And now it's a part of the funnel and driving traffic towards my higher ticket products. And with Chipp, you can make as many AI assistants as you want. We have no upper limit. I just keep building new things and then adding them into different parts of the funnel. And you're able to also share them as templates. So if you go to the marketplace, I type in AI tutor, there is a template here, which says free. And just by clicking that in the top right, then people are able to duplicate that into their workspace, just like Notion templates, which have also proven to be awesome lead magnets. I hope that's helpful and gives you guys some inspiration for the next time that you want to make an ebook or something that was normally going to be a lead magnet in your funnel. And instead, you can have an AI assistant. I hope this has been helpful and happy building.